TRX row can be a challenging progression of the standard TRX row, so you want to make sure your clients master that and good upper body pulling form first. This exercise is going to work a lot of lat, a lot of bicep, and a lot of grip, especially since you're only using that one hand. And since it is one-handed, it's going to work that core in a way where it's resisting rotation down to the ground. So to do this, we're going to set up just the same as we would if we were using two arms, except we are using just that one hand on the TRX. Recline back and then find your position. So walking under can make it heavier, stepping back will make it lighter. We want to make sure we're pulling that shoulder back and down, squeezing the butt, using the core. So we have a straight line from our shoulders to our feet. And then all we're going to do is row, pull that elbow back and down, control down to the bottom. So now things you want to make sure your clients are not doing is shrugging that shoulder up. As they pull, it should be far away from the ear. You want to make sure the hand is coming low to the ribs and not high to the shoulder, as well as making sure that they're not rotating down to the ground. So shoulders and hips should be parallel to the ceiling the whole time. You can get into some rotation, but that's a whole different exercise in itself.